Before writing a program in Python ideally, we will write a program on command prompt. So for that, first we will open command prompt. We will click on start and write cmd and click enter. Now the command prompt appears. First we will check the Python version, pip space minus minus version, and press enter. You will see the Python version 3.9. Now we will start writing the Python program. For that, first we have to write the command py and press enter. Now we can start writing a program. We will write a basic program on division. For that, we will assign a value 5 to a variable a and value 10 to the variable b, and we will divide b by a and we will print the value of c. Press enter. As you can see, we have got an output 2.0. Now we have run a program on command prompt successfully. Now we will write a program in Python ideally. So to write a program in Python ideally, we will see some steps. First we have to open the Python ideally, then click on File menu and choose the new file, and after writing the program we have to save the program with .py extension, and then we can click on the Run menu and then we will see a Run module and we have to click on that. Now we'll see it practically. For that, we will click on Start and search for IDLE. And now we will click on Python IDLE. Now we will follow the steps as we have seen now. We will click on File menu and choose New File. A new window will appear. Here we will type the program to get two numbers inserted by user and add them. But before writing this program, let's understand this program. So Python program on adding two numbers. First, we have to get an int value inserted in variable a. For that, we will write the command a equal to int round brackets input round bracket started. For the message, we have to put it in inverted commas and the first number colon round bracket close and another round bracket close. Now we will insert an int value in variable b. For that, we will write the command b equal to int round bracket started input round bracket started. For the message, we will put the message in inverted commas and the second number colon, and then we will close this message by round bracket and another round bracket closing. Then we will assign a variable c and add the operation a plus b for that. Now we'll print a message that would be addition of two numbers equal to, that would be in inverted commas, comma c, as c variable will store the result of a plus b. All the statements in the program will get executed line by line. Now we will execute this program on Python IDLE. So for that, we will write a program here that would be a equal to int round bracket start input round bracket inverted commas enter first number inverted commas close round bracket close b equal to int input round bracket started inverted commas for message enter second number inverted commas round bracket close. Now we will assign the operation a plus b in variable c. For that, we will write c equal to a plus b, and now we will print c. Before executing this program, we will save this program, file, save as, we will save it as demo1, and we will write the extension py and press save. As the program is saved, now we will run this program by click on this run menu and then click on run module. You can see the program has been executed. Now we will write the first number, that would be 10, press enter, and second number we will write 6 and press enter. We will get 16 as an output. So we have executed the program on Python IDE. Now we will see some best Python IDEs in the market. For that, the best Python IDEs in the market are Jupyter Notebook, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, PyCharm, Python IDE, and Spider Notebook. Among all these IDEs, we have worked with Python IDE. Now we will write a program in Jupyter Notebook. For that, you have to install Jupyter Notebook. I have installed Anaconda distribution and it has Python IDE already installed. If you want to know how to install Anaconda distribution, go and check the video in Python playlist. So let's open Jupyter Notebook. For that, first we will click on Start and write Jupyter Notebook and click on the Jupyter Notebook Anaconda 3 and we'll wait to get it started in a browser. Now we'll select the location where we want to store the program. We will select the location in OneDrive, Desktop, and I've created a Python 1 folder there. So here we'll create a new Python 3 notebook. And name it as First Python Program. And now here we can start writing a program. Here we will write a program to multiply 3 numbers. So for that we will get all the 3 integers inserted by the users in 3 variables and then we will operate the operation multiplication. So for that we will write the command a equal to int round bracket started input round bracket, and here we will print the message enter first number colon and then inverted commas close and the round bracket close. Now we will enter another integer in variable b. For that we will write the command a equal to int round bracket input round bracket started inverted commas enter second number colon, and then we will close the inverted commas and the round brackets, and now we will get the third integer inputted by the user in variable c. For that we will write the command c equal to int round brackets input round brackets inverted commas enter third number colon inverted commas close and round bracket close. Now we will assign the operation of multiplication in variable d. That would be by the command d equal to a into b into c. Now we'll print the variable d, and for that we'll also print the message multiplication of 3 numbers and close the inverted commas, and then we'll insert a comma and then write the variable d, as d contains the output of a into b into c. Now we'll click on the run command and now we'll enter a first number, that would be 5, and press enter, then the second number 4, then the third number 6, and then press enter, and then we will get the output of multiplication of 3 numbers as 120. Now we have successfully run the program on Jupyter Notebook.